I like to share with you actually a funny realization, funny comparison. A couple of hundred of years ago, the people were in the Middle Ages, in the Dark Ages, in the Golden Ages, etc. And there were people who called themselves alchemists or quacks or whatever kind of stuff. And they were looking for for the stone of the wise man. And they tried to turn lead into gold. And well, there's a nice comparison between those times where the alchemists tried everything. They tried to mix all kinds of elixirs, and they're looking for the elixir of life, for eternal life, and make potions and stuff like that. But what has changed since those days? Well, actually nothing. I mean, today we call it science, and they're looking for the same elixir of life. They say, well, in a reaction tube, we have created life, and we know how life is functioning. And sorry, folks, but that's just a fairy tale, just as in the Middle Ages. In those days, they tried to turn lead into gold, and now today, scientists are wanting to make chemicals into living organisms and so on, and finding the elixir of life. So there is a nice comparison that nothing actually has changed. Only now it's taken seriously by more people on this planet, and they call it serious science. Well, sorry folks, the quest has remained the same, and the content of the quest remains the same, but it's just a fairy tale for grown-ups and poured over with a scientific sauce. But still, it is a quest for the stone of wise, or turning lead into gold. Sorry, folks, I couldn't resist to make this little movie about it, because it's the same type of quest. It never changed, only it's in a different form now. Okay, sorry, you cannot make life out of chemicals. It's impossible. If you look at the complexity of singular cells, then single cells, it's enormous. You cannot copy that just by adding some chemicals together. But that's what science claims that it happens. But sorry, folks, it's impossible. It's impossible. There need to be so much goodies and chemical stuffs at the same place, at the same thing, be together to make it work. Otherwise, there is no living cell. So the quest remains the same, but now we call it official science. But it's still being quacks and alchemy, finding the elixir of life. Okay, have fun.